is the home screen of the application. It's a offline music player application which pretty much plays the music on your device. So once you've pretty much opened the application, it will scan your device for all the music that are on your device. So you don't have to worry, it will pretty much scan everything. So if you have downloaded a music after installing the application, it will still scan it and you will pretty much see it after downloading that application. So that's really pretty much it. So if you don't see it, you can always tap on this option at the top here, and then you go and tap on select or scan music, and it will pretty much scan your entire device and see if there's any music on your device. And here you have a lot of features which you can enable. I can't go through all of them, but they do give you an explanation as to what they do for each of these features. You have the language support. So they do offer a subscription which pretty much remove the ads. You can see down here quite a lot of ads. You can get your subscription, and as you can see here, they do give a 7 days free trial and a one-time payment, which can get lifetime subscription, which is much $7 for their lifetime subscription. But yeah, so that's really pretty much for their premium subscription. But the app overall, as you can see here, you will pretty much see all the music here. You can also select a playlist section, or you can set up a playlist or create a playlist. You also can search the song by yourself in the folder section here. I just go into your device, or you can just scan it, which I do recommend you doing. And also the album section here. Nothing much for that. The artist section here as well, they will just be categorized. So, and other music's over here. So nothing much for that. So very, very good music application here. Once you have selected the music that you want to play, you just pretty much tap on it and it will load up like this. You'll be able to see the lyrics as well. Do keep in mind, not all music you'll be able to see the lyrics of the song. So do keep that in mind as well. Yeah, quite a lot of options here which you can enable to use. You have the like option here. I'm not sure what this is for, but this is pretty much to increase the sound of the music, or to edit it to your liking, or boost the bass, or whatever the case is. A lot of things to that. So you have other features here as well, which you can enable. So you have the auto repeat feature, which repeats this song here specifically, or any song that you have choose to repeat specifically. And also you have the repeat loop, meaning you can repeat the whole song, every song that's in your playlist. So that's really pretty much it for that. And if you do tap on the 3 dots over here, you'll be able to create a playlist with the song that you have selected. So again, as you can see, you can add the playlist if you have already created a playlist, or you can create a playlist. You can as well set the song or anything here as a ringtone for your device, and as well you can delete the song. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. Glad I've helped you out. See you in the next one.